Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Sauerkraut Marker. This unique collectible is found within the popular Roblox game, Find the Markers. While often tied to special in-game events, the method to obtain it remains consistent across different periods. It is generally considered an easy marker to acquire, making it a great addition to your collection. Let's dive into the simple steps to find it and add it to your inventory. Your journey to find the Sauerkraut Marker starts by navigating to a very specific landmark, the clock tower. This tall, distinctive building is usually easy to spot in the game's main map, standing prominently. Make your way there, as it holds the first crucial clue to our marker's location. Remember, careful observation and precise movement are key in this exciting game, so take your time. Upon reaching the clock tower, you'll need to carefully observe its exterior. Look for a particular window that offers a clear, unobstructed view inside. Peering through this window, you will distinctly spot a refrigerator. The Sauerkraut Marker is cleverly placed within this appliance, waiting for you to claim it. Simply interact with the refrigerator to collect your prize and complete this step. To ensure you successfully collect the Sauerkraut Marker, remember that it is often part of special, limited-time events within the game. Always keep a close eye on in-game announcements for when these unique markers become available. Its collection process is quite straightforward once you know the exact location and what to look for. Happy hunting, and enjoy adding this distinctive marker to your growing collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.